Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, reading to for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Libra. Take only what resonates for personal reading. Jing Tarot Reader, search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, pahit na lang ng subscribe button, notification bell. Ma-appreciate ko po lahat ng likes, comments, and shares. Okay? So, this is for the sign of Libra. Let's start your reading. For Libra, please. Isang shuffle na lang, guys. For Libra, please. Love reading to, guys. Kung gusto mo nang nakakonsentrate sa career, meron tayong Libra career. Ayan. Tuwing reading ako ng Libra na may kinalaman sa money or more on money reading siya, ilalagay ko naman po sa title Libra career. Okay? Pero yung almost daily natin is more on love. Okay? Let's start your reading. Libra, Sun, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Page of Pentacles. Oh, wow. Hindi ko tayo in-expect, guys. Some of you could be Virgo or meron kang Virgo sa iyong chart. Kasi ito rin yung the same na main energy na lumabas sa Virgo. The Page of Pentacles and the Two of Swords. Yan na yan. Okay? If you would like to check Virgo Philippines, yun yung pinakauna ko kasing ni-reading kanina. So, Virgo Philippines, check mo. Same din ang video. Same din ang lumabas. So, you could have Virgo in your chart or you could be dealing with the Virgo. Okay, so sa nakikita natin dito with the Page of Pentacles and the Two of Swords, maaaring meron kang mga ideas na sinisimulan or mga kailangan mo pagdesisyonan, maybe may kinalaman sa pera, and you are working on this with the Eight of Pentacles. Wina-workout mo to, nag-focus ka sa career mo, nag-focus because you want to have gusto mong mas naging eager ka ngayon, especially with the Knight of Pentacles, mas lalo mong ginagalingan, yung some of you, no, parang nagkaroon ng schedule or marami ka kasing obligasyon and for what I can see here, the Five of Wands, some of you may mga iniiwasan or may mga pagkakagalit, pag-aaway na nangyayari sa'yo or kung hindi man may mga arguments or pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, kaya ka nagpo-focus sa career mo kasi ayaw mo tong intindihin and nakakita tayo dito ng mga problema sa'yo and you don't want to face this, lalo na with the Judgment card right here. Medyo may mga taong gumagawa ng ingay sa'yo ngayon and I feel like some of you, you're not so sure regarding sa offer or mga sinasabi nitong taong to or nitong mga taong to. But I feel like they have this concern towards you. So, might be kaya sila ganyan ay they love you and some of you hindi ka sure because maybe yung offer na ito is something na may kailangan kang i-end or kaya ka hindi sure dito sa bagay nito kasi you're thinking kung apektado ito with the Page of Wands, there could be messages or someone is thinking about you and gusto niya mag-message sa'yo with the Three of Wands. This person really do miss you a lot. The moon is here. This could be your soulmate, your soul tribe. Anyway, let's move on to the person na nakakonect mo pagdating sa love. For the sign of Libra. I don't know, but yung energy talaga is like a Virgo energy. Kasi kanina nag-reading na ako and same energies yung nakukuha ko. Putulin ko lang saglit to, guys. I-pause ko lang saglit. I need to take a short break. Okay. Okay, sorry about that. Anyway, continue na natin yung reading. Puntahan natin yung person mo, no? Alam mo, bihira ako magbasa ng reversal Pero pag naramdaman ko yung energy ng reversal, babasahin ko yon. Katulad nitong Four of Cups. Naramdaman ko yung energy ng reversal dito. So, I feel like itong person na ito is sure na about maybe may kinalaman sa connection ninyo. Sure na siya dito sa connection nito. Kung ano ito. The Four of Swords is here. Wala nga lang pa siyang ginagawa. Pero sigurado na siya kung ano itong meron sa connection na ito. Alamin natin, ano yung sure na para sa kanya. Kailangan nating liwanagin. Ano yung sure na para sa kanya? You do have here the Death card. This is Scorpio energy. Especially, ang bottom of the deck natin is Judgment. The Judgment is about someone na nagising na. This person is having major awakening sa connection na ito. Okay? And para mas maging malinaw, ano bang meron sa connection ninyo? Gagamit ako ng ibang card. So, ano bang meron sa connection na ito? Ano bang meron sa connection na ito? Major awakening, guys. Major awakening. You do have your self-worth. Watch for this connection, please, spirit guides, angel guides. Yan, third eye. This is clarity. And self-worth could be you focusing on your self-worth, sa sarili mo. Pwedeng yung person mo, ito rin dumaan na siya dito, nag-focus siya muna sa sarili niya. Nag-focus ka sa sarili mo, pero maaring mas nauna siya na mag-focus sa sarili niya. Okay? And pwedeng kaya nagkaroon ng disconnection or malaking separation sa inyo nitong person na ito kasi pareho kayo nag-focus sa mga kanya-kanya ninyong sarili. Pero with the third eye, clarity, I feel like it's clarity regarding sa spiritual connection or kung ano meron dito. And I feel like this is your person na nagigising siya sa connection nyo. And you do have your action and new beginnings. So, I feel like unti-unti na nagkakaroon ng lakas ng loob itong person na ito regarding dito sa inyong connection nito, which is actually with the divine timing. Yung iba sa inyo, you could be dealing with someone that you really do trust, or etong person na ito do really trust you. Pareho ninyong pinagkakatiwalaan ang isa't isa. So for some of you, this is like a friend or a best friend or someone that you really do trust. Yung pag halimbawa, kailangan mo ng someone na magko-comfort sa'yo, tutulong sa'yo, kakausapin mo kasi ganito ganyan, marami kang problema, especially vulnerability is here. So being vulnerable sa isang tao is very hard. And when this person ay nagkakaroon ng connection sa inyo, there is this time na isa sa inyo ay nagiging vulnerable. Kailangan ng kakampi, kailangan ng someone to talk to, and maybe yung connection ninyo is about that, no? Maybe you feel like pareho kayong someone na makakatulong sa akin to heal whatever pain, whatever shortcomings, whatever problem na pinagdadaanan. And I feel like this is a person na magte-take ng actions again because might be meron na namang someone dito sa inyo na nagiging vulnerable. Alam mo, for example, pwedeng ikaw, whenever there's this time na ikaw ay namomblema, nasasaktan, nahihirapan, magko-call ka sa kanya or tatawag sa kanya, yeah, like maybe a best friend kind of energy na kaya mong kausapin, sabihin sa kanya kung ano nasa isip mo, emosyon mo, etc. na hindi mo yun nagagawa sa iba. And I feel like itong person na ito, ganun din siya sa'yo. So, kung hindi ka nakarelate dito, because ito yung pinaka-situation, ito yung pinaka-connection ninyo, kung hindi ka nakarelate dito sa part na ito, this could not be your reading, hayaan mo ito para sa iba. Dahil may ibang makaka-relate para dito. Okay? Kasi nakaramdam ako ng konti lang sa inyo ang makaka-relate sa part na yun. And I feel like itong person na ito nagkakaroon na siya ng transformation, and not only him or her, pati ikaw. Pati ikaw nagkakaroon ka ng transformation sa sarili mo. And yeah, whatever situation ang hindi nag-grow sa'yo, nagkakaroon yan ng transformation. Then, yan, some of you, if you do own a business, yan, there's this pure hindi monkey business ang tinutukoy ko guys ha. A business wherein maybe you do have a receipt. Of course, all business no kailangan ay may resibo or accredited ng BIR. But yung iba sa inyo, this could be a business wherein I'm not talking about online business for now. So, kasi may resibo. So, some of you, this is accredited by BIR. Kasi, of course, may mga online business na hindi pa accredited. Some of you, if you have a business na merong resibo accredited by BIR, and it is pure, hindi monkey business, ngayon magkakaroon siya ng justice. Like, hindi mo kasi inisip lang ang sarili mo. Okay? At ang maganda doon, dahil hindi mo inisip lang ang sarili mo, may mga balik sa'yo kung ano man ang mga pagmamahal na binibigay mo sa mga clients, sa customers mo. Now, they are loving you back and pabalik-balik sila. So, nagkakaroon ka ng mga regular customers. And this time, yung iba sa inyo, there would be this justice, okay? Especially yung mga business na nagkakaroon ng mga promotion, ayan, pwedeng ikaw ay nagkaroon ng mga promo, kasi nag-trial and error ka, etc. Alam mo, kasama talaga sa negosyo yon yung pagta-trial and error. For some of you, starting of something new ngayon, especially na, maybe investment or being money-wise, some of you maybe meron kang mga i-handle na pera ng iba, yan, napaka magbe-benefit sa'yo kasi nakikita natin mag-grow ka talaga. Okay, so let's move on to your emotions for your person. Emotions mo para sa iyong person. Why do I feel like yung emotion mo keeps on coming back? So, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, 5 of Wands, nilalabanan mo rin. There is this times or connection kasi ninyo medyo balik-balik or nagkakaroon ng like a roller coaster kind of energy. So, paulit-ulit na pangyayari sa inyo. Then, in and out, and then may separation, tapos wala na namang connection, then may connection na naman. And maybe because this is your friend. So, sabi ko nga, pag vulnerable ka, kailangan mo nakausap. Maybe this is the person na tinatawagan mo, kinakausap mo. Tapos, after naman ng problem na yon, complete silence na naman. So, there's this pabalik-balik na connection sa inyong dalawa. And with the King of Swords, you're trying to be more professional. And with the Knight of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, you are focusing on money. So, maybe may inis, yung iba sa inyo may inis ka ring nararamdaman sa kanya because maybe siya yung dahilan kung bakit in and out ang connection ninyo. So, pwedeng ganun. So, ano yung emotions ng person na ito towards you? The Devil is here. The Devil is here. Followed by the 3 of Pentacles. And then one more card for the sign of Libra. Person Libra, please. Person Libra. Emotions niya, you do have here the Hermit. This is Virgo energy, Major Arcana, and the Capricorn energy with the Devil, 6 of Pentacles, Stars, Virgo, Capricorn. So, you could be dealing with an earth sign, pero okay lang kahit hindi. So, sa nakikita natin dito, this person is being quiet, silent, and pwedeng with the Devil, this is like someone who is trying to manipulate yung kanyang feelings, no? And I feel like with the 3 of Pentacles, this person wants to have some kind of growth financially. And with the 6 of Pentacles, or maybe nagpo-focus siya sa money because gusto niyang tumulong sa'yo and or makatulong sa'yo for whatever kind of problem you have right now. And I feel like itong person na ito wants to understand you more. Hindi lang siya na nakikipag-connect or kausap sa'yo, but there are times na pwedeng ikaw yung nagsisimula ng convo or chat or text or email. Ikaw yung nagaganon, pero nakikita natin nakikinig siya. So, pwedeng nakamasid lang siya sa kung ano yung sasabihin mo. And this person is, ina-analyze niya yung bagay na yun. You're dealing with someone who is very analytical and very logical kind of person. And pwedeng nakatingin lang siya, nakamessage siya sa'yo. And this person is agreeing, ina-agree niya yung mga bagay na sinasabi mo, kahit wala ka naririnig sa kanya, kahit wala ka man lang naririnig or nare-receive na kahit like man lang sa kanya. But I can see na ina-agree or sumasang-ayon siya sa mga sinasabi mo. Okay? So, this person is really watching. Aray ko. Sorry about that. Inusog ko kasi yung table. Medyo may part dito na matalas na sumayad lang sa akin. Anyway, this person is 3 of Swords. Sobrang nasasaktan siya. So, I don't know why. Pwedeng nakamasage siya sa'yo. And isa sa bakit siya kung bakit siya Nasasaktan is pwedeng kasi hindi niya kayang i-open up sa'yo yung mga gusto niyang sabihin, especially with the devil. Um, I feel like this person is stuck with you. Pakiramdam niya stuck siya sa'yo or stuck siya sa emotions niya with you na parang kahit gustuhin niya man na kumonek sa iba, mahalin yung iba, this person sees you as someone na talagang ikaw, yung mahal niya, ikaw ang gusto niya. So because this Three of Swords, there's a lot of pain and passion mula dito sa person na to. Alam mo itong person na to, isa sa tagahanga mo. I'm saying here because I see that you do have a lot of tagahanga right now. And some of you, hindi mo alam yon because a lot of people sees you as someone na hindi pwedeng sabihin sa taong to yung emotion ko. Okay? Maraming humahanga sa iyo because maybe your looks is quite fascinating. Maybe malaking pagkakaiba mo sa basta-basta lang nakikita dyan. Because makaagaw ka talaga ng pansin. Pag ikaw yung naglakad, marami ang lilingon. Some of you ganon. And I can see a lot of people talking behind your back. Hindi siya in a bad way. It's kind of like marami ang natutuwa or nagagandahan talaga sa'yo. So, some of you, meron kang mga qualities, physical qualities, nakapansin-pansin. Okay? Some of you, pwedeng ikaw ay, not all of you, pero some of you, you are sexy. So, pag naglakad ka, talagang papalingon yung iba. Some of you, you do have a nice skin, nice hair. So, ayun, talagang papalingon yung iba sa'yo because they see you as someone na, wow, ang ganda, ang galing. Parang ganon. And marami ang humahanga sa'yo. Okay? Not only mga opposite sex, but of course, this is LGBTQIA+, welcome kayo dito, no? Pero some of you, kahit opposite sex or kapareho mo na kasarian ay namamangha or nagagandahan or napopogian sa'yo. Okay? Nagets mo yon? And maybe hindi sa looks but your body, you have something in you na kamangha-mangha. So, sabi ko, marami ang humahanga talaga sa'yo. And this person, hindi yun ang nakikita niya. Wow. Hindi yun ang nakikita niya. This person, hindi kanya gusto dahil lang doon. Hindi lang yon ang nakikita niya. At hindi kanya nagugustuhan dahil doon. Okay? Don't get me wrong. Yung iba sa inyo, nagugustuhan kanya by the way you speak, the way you think. You are someone very rare para sa kanya. Sobrang rare ng ganitong tao. Bakit ako nakamit ng ganitong tao? Tapos kaibigan ko, wow. So, yung taong to namamangha sa'yo, the way you speak, the way you think, the way you talk to people, kung paano ka humarap sa tao, yon ang nagustuhan niya sa'yo. Okay? Not just your looks, kasama na yon, additional na yon, pero more on, nakot mo yung attention niya dahil sa galing mo. Okay? So, what will happen in the future for the both of you? Wow, the Magician is here. You do have the Seven of Cups. This is like your dreams, your manifestation. So, some of you, Strength card, mas kumagaling ka sa pagmamanifest. So, continue on doing that. Kung ikaw ay nagmamanifest na ngayon, ituloy-tuloy mo lang. Keep on thinking positive thoughts. Mas kumagaling ka dito. Especially, there's a lot of transformation. Ngayong buwan na ito, April 2024. So, ang daming transformation. There's this solar eclipse. There's this Jupiter conjunction Uranus. So, napakadalang po yun with 84 years bago mangyari yun. Once in a lifetime opportunity. Once in a lifetime na there are placement of planets na once in a lifetime mo lang mararanasan. Hindi mo na, of course, kung mabubuhay ka up to 100 or so on and so forth, pwedeng maranasan mo siya ulit. Okay? Wait lang, guys. Okay, sorry about that. The Magician is here, so it feels like there's a lot of development sa'yo within yourself, within your, yung iba sa inyo being more artistic in this month, no, na paparating, April going to May. Ayan, nakakita tayo ng artistic abilities mo na maipapalabas mo siya. Nakikita natin, ito yung mas makakatulong sa'yo to strengthen yung iyong mga bagay na gusto. Like for example, for some of you, you do own a business. So, pag inilabas mo itong artistic abilities mo and i-share mo sa iba, I feel like mag-work out talaga siya for you. Okay? And you do have here the Three of Swords. At the bottom of the deck, sorry, this is not for you. Hindi ko naramdaman yung energy mo doon. But some of you, there's this nasasaktan. And because your connection mo or ang future mo is regarding your career, regarding your money, regarding your business, nakikita natin na pwedeng yung masaktan dito is yung mga kalaban mo sa industriya. Yung mga hindi mo, yung mga pangit ang tingin sa'yo or ginajudge ka nila. They are like jealous of you. And because nakikita ko ng mga additional entertainment, iba may mga ganun, no? Sabi ko nga may mga artistic abilities. And some of you pwede may bago kang pabangong ginamit and then just now or while watching this, iba yung pabangong ginamit mo, not the usual na ginagamit mo. This could be a reading. I just smell a perfume. Mabango siya actually. So, hindi mo siya usually ginagamit. The Two of Cups is here. The Two of Cups is here. You do have here the Six of Swords. The Seven of Swords. Wow. And there's this Ace of Cups. Some of you, if you are looking for love, there's this new love coming. Okay? Clarify this Two of Cups, please. Clarify the Two of Cups. And yung iba sa inyo, okay. There's this past person who would make you his or her priority in your future. Especially may money na involved. So, and this could be your soulmate kasi siya yung nakikita natin na someone na nagigising or nagising sa connection, and this person will like bigla na lang haharap or bigla na lang magpapakita sa'yo to show you na na you are important para sa kanya. Na you are someone na I want to be with you. Whoever these people sa buhay mo na umalis, some of you need to move on. And actually, nakikita ko rin sila na naka-move on na sa'yo, and lalo na may mga bago nang pumalit sa buhay sa kanila. So, this could be friends na umalis sa buhay mo, and then they feel like meron ka ng bagong kaibigan, etc. So, naka-move on na sila sa pag-alis nila sa'yo. They are the one na piniling umalis sa'yo. And I can see some of you may mga lalayo or aalis pa. So, just let them be, no? Kasi with the Five of Swords, hindi mo sila kailangan. The Three of Swords, they are the one who are hurting right now dahil umalis sila sa buhay mo. Na Queen of Wands, I can see you being more responsible pagdating sa iyong career, pagdating sa iyong work. Money is really good. Actually, sa reading na ito, although this is love reading, pero ang concentration mo dito is yourself, your business, your career, your money. Nandun yung focus mo. More on self-worth. More on paano pa ikutin ng pera ko, paano mas magiging magaling, paano mas magiging, pag-development of skills. You don't care about love here. So, marami akong nakitang connections dito. And in the future, may nakita tayong nasasaktan because of the presence of a third party. So, if you're in a relationship, someone here is hinahayaan ka lang niya na makipag-connect with this third party because I can see there's this partnership. Yung iba sa inyo selos regarding sa work, sa career, sa business. So, if you're in a relationship, high chance na masaktan mo yung partner mo dahil siya ay, pero hahayaan ka lang niya na makipag-usap, makipag-connect doon because maybe as long na nasa akin ka, parang ganun. And kailangan ko munang iwasan yung pagkataas ng ego ko ngayon because something is happening here. So, some of you may maganon. Pero maliwanag sa kanya ang nangyayari na siya ay nagsiselo, siya ay alam niyang there's something behind that small conversation between you at saka yung isa pang colleagues or business partners, etc. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Sana nakarelate ka, nakaresonate ka. Maraming salamat sa mga nag-comment. Hindi pa huli ang lahat. Pwede ka pa mag-comment. Please, sobra ko ma-appreciate yan. I love you all and bye-bye.